One of my reels brought in over 10,000 followers overnight, and I've consistently hit millions of views. This isn't just another Instagram growth video. This is the exact strategy that took me to 96k followers and helped my clients go viral every single week. This video is in no particular order. Every single detail is crucial. I've tested this across my personal brand, client accounts, and different niches. These are the keys to growing on Instagram in 2025. So, let's go. Whether your account has 0 followers, 1k followers, or 50k followers, you need to be doing this right now. Let's look at my account right here. If you go to my top performing reels, you will see that every single one starts with a pattern interruption. This isn't random, this is strategic. Look at this reel right here. In the first 3 seconds, I immediately grab attention by making a bold statement and backing it up with proof. But here's what most creators get wrong. They try to be too creative with their pattern interruptions. Let me show you my simple framework that works every single time. First, you need to make a bold statement. Second, you need to show proof immediately and create a curiosity gap. And then last, deliver instant value. The reason this works is because Instagram's algorithm measures viewer retention in the first 3 seconds more than anything else. If you can't hook them in here, nothing else matters. Let me tell you, this is going to blow your mind. One of the most underrated aspects of Instagram growth is actually training the algorithm to understand your content. Look at my For You page right here. Everything you see is exactly what I want Instagram to associate my account with. This didn't happen by accident. Here's exactly how you can train your algorithm to understand your content. Go to your Explore page. Only interact with content in your niche. Super important. And then I want you to save 10 to 15 reels daily that align with your content. And then last, study the top performing posts. What you need to avoid is using Instagram like a personal account. I see so many creators liking random content and then wondering why their reach is so low. We need to run our page like a business if you want real growth. Here's a bonus tip that no one is talking about. Create a separate personal account. Keep your creator account purely for your niche. This alone can double your reach in 30 days. Everyone is talking about trending audio, but let me show you what actually matters for reaching your ideal clients and making real money with Instagram. Here's what really drives results. First, client-focused content. Look at this riddle right here. Instead of chasing trends, I'm addressing my ideal client's biggest pain points. This is how you attract buyers and not just followers. Second, strategic storytelling. Let me show you my framework. Open with a pain point. Highlight the problem, present your solution, show proof, and then a clear call to action in the end. Now, if you still want to use trending audio, which helps with reach, here's how to find them. I want you to go to your Instagram profile, press Professional Dashboard, and scroll down until you see trending audio. And here's a list with trending audios right now. And what I want you to look for is audios that doesn't have too many reels. So look at audios that has under 10,000 reels. And these are potential viral audios to use. But remember this, a trending audio with a weak message will never convert as well as a strong message with any audio. This is really underrated and I don't see enough people using this. I've seen accounts 3x their engagement simply by using this formula. Here's my 3-part engagement stack. Part 1, caption strategy. I want you to write your captions like a script. The first line should have a pattern interruption question. The second line, a value statement. The third line, a personal story or proof. Fourth line, call to action. And then fifth line, engagement questions. Let me show you an example. And as you can see in the captions, I have a pattern interruption, I give value, address a problem, and then have a clear call to action in the end. Part 2, comment engagement. The first 30 minutes after posting is crucial. Here's what you need to do. First, I want you to reply to every single comment. Ask questions in your replies, create conversations, and pin the best comment. Part 3, strategic timing. I'm gonna show you exactly when to post based on your account's insights. But remember, consistently matters more than perfect timing. So again, I want you to go to your profile, open up professional dashboard, click on new followers, and here you can see all of your followers. You scroll all the way down, and here you can see when your audience is most active. And you should post before the peak. But for me, for example, I post after the peak because I want to reach people in the US and I'm from Finland. So in order to target a US audience, I need to post in their time. And that means I'm gonna be posting in the evening. Guys, I promise you, if you implement everything that I showed you in this video, I guarantee you will see growth. But remember, it's not about the followers, it's about building a real brand on Instagram. My name is Robin, and if you like this video, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. I see so many of you guys watching are not subscribed. And I also have a free course on content creation, Instagram growth, and how to monetize your followers. So check out the link to the course down below. And remember, success on Instagram isn't about doing one thing perfectly. It's about doing many things consistently well. And with that being said, it's time to get back to work.